sure?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Isn't she blonde? Short hair, maybe?
Stop the bus! Boston PD!
Excuse me?
Stop the bus! Open up!
간발의 차이로 경찰의 추격을 따돌린 주인공 에린, 목적지를 따로 정할 새도 없이 버스에 몸을 싣게 되고
Do you have any fresh coffee? It tastes like lukewarm mud.
It's fresh Ethiopian blend. Just the mud for you then? That'll be 97 cents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
그런데 이때 세상 여유로운 바닷가가 에린의 시선을 사로잡기 시작. 결국 이 작은 마을의 터를 잡는 선택을 하게 되는데요.
That's security footage from the bus station. Want me to take a look at them?
I got it.
문제는 워낙 작은 마을이라 그 흔한 모텔조차 보이지 않았다는 사실. 결국 해변가의 모래를 침대 삼아 이곳에서의 첫날을 보내게 되죠.
Is your owner available?
Well, I'm the owner.
Do you guys have any job openings?
Oh, we've been awfully busy lately. I might can you have any experience?
다행히 서버로 일한 경험이 있어 이곳에서의 생활에 빠르게 녹아들 수 있었고
Great location to town. A little bit of a fixer-upper. It's got a lot of potential.
What do you think?
I'll take it.
그런데 그날 새벽 계약서에 도장을 찍기 무섭게 드러나는 엉망진창 컨디션. 결국 이 마을의 유일한 마트를 찾을 수밖에 없었죠.
Hi.
Hi. Are your mom and dad around?
You looking for anything?
Oh, now that you ask, do you have any paint?
What are you painting?
I'm painting my kitchen floor.
제법 장사 수완이 좋아 보이는 꼬마 숙녀 렉시와의 만남을 갖게 되지만
Katie.
Hi, Katie.
Thank you.
차마 자신의 본명을 밝힐 순 없었고
You're still here? It's just that usually people just passing through, you know? Kind of a pit stop. 10 minutes is usually enough.
Found it!
You painting something?
Your floor's in her kitchen.
Ah, okay.
렉시의 아버지이자 이마트의 사장님 알렉스까지 이곳을 선택한 건 신의 한 수라며 보통의 일상을 살아가고 있었는데요. 그러던 어느 날
Hey, are you okay?
Got a white Honda Civic parked in the handicap space outside.
Katie! You got your chief's order?
Sorry it took so long.
Oh, no problem at all.
Can I help you?
Sorry, I didn't mean to be snooping. Idle curiosity. First neighbor I've had out here in ages.
Sir said I didn't have close neighbor.
Joe, by the way.
Katie.
조용한 곳을 찾아 이곳까지 오게 되었다는 의문의 여인. 첫인상이 나쁘지는 않았지만 그렇다고 경계를 늦출 순 없었고
Walk safe.
Thank you.
All right.
How many stops run you right from here to Atlanta?
I
You got a
wouldn't know
ballpark?
offhand.
So,
The whole eastern seaboard.
자신이 쫓는 범죄자가 애틀란타행 버스에 탑승했다는 사실까지는 알아낼 수 있었지만 문제는 그 사이에 수많은 휴게소가 존재하는 데다가 도중에 행선지를 바꿨을 가능성이 농후하다는 점. 결국 쉽게 끝날 사건이 아니라는 느낌을 떨칠 순 없었고
I think I'm gonna go with lemon twist.
Okay. How much?
Probably a gallon.
Gallon?
Yeah, a gallon.
I'm gonna need a name and a number.
My name's Katie, and the number.
All right.
Is that it?
That's it.
When did we start selling paint?
Today.
Katie! Hey!
Hi.
경찰의 추격을 받고 있는 범죄자라는 사실이 믿기지 않는 이곳에서의 생활에 완전히 녹아들고 있었는데요.
Okay, well, thanks for the look.
See ya.
그런데
Detective Tierney, Boston PD. Sure. Do you know this woman?
No. Sorry.
Well,
Do you know this woman?
No, I don't know this woman.
She's new to the neighborhood.
Is she?
I saw you got to spend some time with Alex and his kids. Guess by now you heard about what happened to his wife. His cancer a few years ago, and it nearly broke Alex in half.
그로부터 며칠의 시간이 흐르고
Katie, your paint's here. Let me grab my keys. I'll give you a lift.
No, I'm fine.
Are you?
Yep, I'm good.
결국 알렉스에게 도움을 청하게 되지만 문제는 경찰의 추격을 받고 있는 도망자 신세라는 사실. 원치 않았던 소개팅에 끌려 나온 사람 마냥 침묵을 이어갈 수밖에 없었고.
You can just leave it there. Thank you.
Okay.
Just
I'll just leave it right there. Oh, wait. I got sandpaper, scrapers, things like that.
간도슬개도 다 내어줄 것 같은 알렉스와 자신의 상황으로 인해 이런 글을 밀쳐낼 수밖에 없는 처지.
I like this color. It's brightened up the place. Yeah. So you think you're gonna stay in town for a while?
yeah, we'll see.
그럼에도 이런 나를 밀쳐내지 않는 따뜻하게 대해주는 이웃들이 있었는데요. 문제는 새벽이 되면 어김없이 죄책감에 시달리고 있었다는 거죠.
Did you leave this outside my house last night?
Maybe.
I can't take it.
Shed. It's okay. I don't have any use for it.
You know, I don't appreciate coming in the middle of the night. Nice gesture, but I can't accept it.
I don't understand. Walking.
You know,
back and
I didn't
forth
ask
every
for
day.
it.
Barely know this guy, and he comes to my house.
It's a bike, not a kidney.
So you're saying that I overreacted a little?
Yeah.
도시에서만 지내와서 잘 모를 수 있지만 이러한 작은 나눔이 이곳에서는 일상이라는 조언. 자신이 지나치게 오버해버렸다는 사실을 깨닫게 되고.
Hey, Alex. Should have just said thank you. I'm sorry. I was really rude.
No.
And
That was my fault. Your bus is here. Don't worry, it won't happen again.
Where's your bathroom?
Straight back there.
완전히 빈정이 상해버린 듯 차마 숨쉬기도 어려운 어색함이 감돌기 시작하던 그때
Josh!
Stop it.
딸아이와는 너무나 다른 어색함이 느껴지는 부서지간의 모먼트. 하지만 이 사건으로 인해 자연스레 화해의 무드가 만들어졌고 왜 늘 가장 행복한 순간 불행이라는 녀석은 노크를 하는 걸까? 1급 살인을 저질렀다는 혐의로 지명수배 명단에 오르게 되죠.
You call me freaking out that we need to make the show.
I am not freaking out. City council called and said they're expecting 100,000 people. Now those are big city numbers.
Where are we going?
Hold on, in a minute, sweetheart. I'll stop in the next week.
what's up?
Can you go to the beach with us?
Kate Lexi, she's not coming with us.
No, I want her to come.
안 그래도 자전거 사건으로 서로를 향한 호감을 끌어올렸는데 사랑의 메신저 렉시의 칭얼거림까지 결국 못 이기는 척 나들이에 동참을 해야만 했고
Line it up. All right, let's get a photo. Look up. Josh, look up.
We're all fragile on
All right, you two.
down
1,
the street.
2.
Heart is on the floor. I need arms around me. Arms
Oh my God.
My battery's dead. Hold on one second.
Why do you always have to take pictures?
Because I want to be able to remember this stuff.
Try to remember without the camera.
What do I do about Josh? He's testing me.
Do you think it's just a phase?
I hope so. Josh was young, but he remembers her, you know? It's just... There's a difference. So why Southport?
Clean, empty canvas.
You're just starting over.
You know, Sort of. I always wanted to live in a small town, so it is pretty small.
Are you staying, or you just passing through, or what's your story?
So many questions.
처음으로 속 깊은 이야기를 나누나 싶었지만 늘 그렇듯 여기까지가 KT가 꺼내 보일 수 있는 것들의 한계. 결국 알렉스 자신의 이야기들만 실컷 꺼내 보이는 데에 만족해야만 했고.
Thanks for coming.
It was a great time.
Oh, hey, I forgot to ask you, how'd your floors turn out?
You want to see?
그동안 한결같은 마음으로 노력한 보람이 있는 듯 절대 허락되지 않았던 KT의 집에 들어설 수 있었는데요.
All right.
I'm fine. I promise.
I'm gonna go.
Thank you again.
Careful up there. Gonna be anybody's fault but your own.
It's me again.
I answered all of your questions about her last time.
문제는 어떻게든 에린을 잡아넣겠다는 듯 케빈의 열의가 장난 아니었다는 사실.
Spit it out. Get it over with, will you?
You wanna go canoeing with me?
Yes. Yes, I would.
하지만 이러한 사실을 알 리 없는 두 사람, 정식으로 첫 데이트를 나서게 되죠.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. This is probably my favorite place in the whole world.
Come here with your wife?
Yeah.
Does it get better? With time?
Yeah, at first I tried to avoid any place that we went together. Just look forward. I realized that if I'm not thinking about her, who is?
그래서였을까 그토록 사진에 집착을 보이고 있었던 것. 하지만 오늘만큼은 사별한 아내가 아닌 오롯이 KT에게 집중할 수 있었고.
But today with you, this is probably the first time that I've looked up.
It's a perfect day.
말 끝나기 무섭게 거센 소나기가 퍼붓기 시작. 서둘러 인근 가게로 대피를 해야만 했는데요.
I have a friend who's coming back from Charlotte. He should be able to pick us up on his way back through, but he isn't picking up his phone, so...
Well, no rush. I mean, I'm happy here.
좋은 사람과 함께라면 그 어디라도 최고의 데이트 장소가 될 수 있다는 불변의 진리. 어느덧 마감 시간이 되어버려 걸음을 옮기려던 그때.
Hello? Hello?
This song is nice.
We never lie and we don't
때마침 자리를 비워주는 센스 만점의 사장. 덕분에 세상 로맨틱한 데이트의 정점을 찍을 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후 데리러 온다던 친구가 하필이면 경찰관이었던 것. 지은 죄가 너무 많은 KT는 또다시 입국다시 되어버렸고.
Pretty isolated out here.
Good night. Thank you.
Shut up. I'll see you tomorrow. You bet. We'll talk fireworks.
Yeah.
Where have you been? Out having fun.
I'm sorry.
You weren't here to tuck me in.
Good night.
그런데 그날 새벽. 한동안 잊고 지낸 이곳은 아내가 가장 많은 시간을 머문 그녀의 서재였던 것. 아직 아이들이 아내를 잊지 못했는데 KT에게 마음을 주는 게 맞는 건가라는 내적 갈등이 커지기 시작했고.
Thank you for everything.
Oh, kiddo, you're welcome. Call me when you land somewhere safe, okay?
Hey, it's me. But I just wanted to let you know that I've ended up somewhere safe.
위기의 순간 날 외면치 않고 도움을 준 존재. 이제서야 아주머니께 연락을 드리며 조금이나마 마음의 짐을 덜 수 있던 그때.
That's your handwriting. Now, you lied to me, Mrs. Feldman.
When you get a warrant, I'll open the door.
Well, don't go away. I'll get that warrant.
I haven't had that much fun in a long time.
To think it all started with a fight.
You said that was him just being southern.
같은 시간 케빈이 결정적인 촉을 느껴버렸다는 사실을 알리 없는 KT.
I fixed the floor. If you want to check it out.
Every time I try, I can't even close my eyes. Why you been?
마침내 서로를 향한 마음에 거짓이 없음을 처음으로 확인할 수 있었는데요.
Angel takes the fireworks. Oh, well, I think we should go with these this year. Hold on.
그러던 어느 날
Rhett, I forgot something back at the house.
Kevin! Can I see you in my office? Now!
Aaron? What is this? Suspect murder, first degree. Aaron Tierney? Who did you kill?
Yeah, it's not what you...
On a wanted sign saying you're a suspect for murder. Your name is Aaron.
Alex,
I trusted you. My kids trusted you. What the hell am I supposed to tell my kids?
To a relationship with the wrong man.
How am I supposed to believe that?
Who hurt me? I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
You should probably go before Rhett sees that.
You tell me.
That's not what you think.
Tell me what it is. What's in your water bottle?
Water.
Yeah? As of now, you are suspended. I need you to hand over your badge and your gun. How many rules you broke?
I need to find her.
You don't do it like this.
I need to find her, Jimmy.
Kevin, you sent out a nationwide AP. You should God wife.
평소에는 둘도 없이 다정했지만 술이 들어가기 무섭게 언제 그랬냐는 듯 돌변하는 성격.
You think I'm done with that?
No. Come in and pray some more.
Look. You won't let it rest.
I'm just gonna go put on some perfume.
Off you, baby.
Stop, please, Kevin, stop. No.
Look, you want to walk away from me?
이대로 지내다가는 내 명대로 살지 못할 거라는 확신. 내가 살기 위해 도망자 신세가 될 수밖에 없었죠.
Hey, what's going on?
Gotta get out of here.
Whoa, what are you talking about? You just got here.
Things are done. I can't stay.
Does Alex know that you're leaving?
Alex wants nothing to do with me anymore.
세상 모두가 나를 향해 손가락질을 하더라도 알렉스만은 그렇지 않을 거라는 기대가 무너진 만큼 에린이 더 이상 이곳에 머물 이유는 사라져버렸고
Good luck, Katie.
Katie! Kate! Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just stay.
No. You were right. You're gonna find us.
Just tell me the truth. I can get the police involved. I can talk to Rhett.
결국 남편이 경찰이라는 사실을 털어놓을 수밖에 없었는데요.
I can't put you through that. I can't put your family through that. He doesn't quit.
Katie, I'm in love with you. There's no safer place in the world than right here with me.
I'm so scared.
I love you.
그런데 그날 새벽 제대로 손발이 묶여버린 케빈은 펠맨 부인의 집에 잠이
Saturday, Monday, 11:47 a.m.
I know I should have called a long time ago. When I let you know that I'm somewhere safe.
아주머니를 안심시키기 위한 메시지가 자신의 위치를 드러나게 만들어버렸던 것. 케빈의 입장에서는 지체할 이유가 없었고
The life is just sucked out of you. And I just stuck up for him all the time because it wasn't his fault, it was mine.
I'm so glad you're here. Everything's gonna be okay.
알렉스라면 날 안전하게 지켜줄 거라는 믿음 덕분에 에리는 다시금 안정을 찾을 수 있었는데요. 그러던 어느 날
Do you need any help?
You're a little small to be running a store. Where's your daddy?
Not around.
Lexi, I'm a policeman. I would like to speak with someone a little taller.
Where's your uniform?
I'm a detective. You know what a detective is, Lexi? That's what I'm doing here, Lexi. I'm looking for a missing person. Have you seen this woman?
No.
You wouldn't lie to a policeman, would you?
No.
렉시의 총명함에 잠시 안도했지만 문제는 수상한 아저씨가 케이티를 찾고 있다는 사실까지는 차마 전하지 못했다는 점. 눈에 불을 켜고 에린을 찾고 있었고 바로 턱밑까지 쫓아왔다는 사실을 알 리 없는 두 사람 세상 여유로운 축제를 즐기고 있었는데요. 그런데 지금 당장 멱살이라도 잡아 집으로 데려가고 싶은 마음이었지만 그렇게 하기에는 지나치게 많은 인파 한 발 물러설 수밖에 없었고
Fireworks start at 9. I should be home shortly after that. Lexi's stomach keeps hurting. Chamomile tea usually does the trick.
어느덧 이번 축제의 클라이막스 알렉스는 불꽃놀이 준비로 자리를 비울 수밖에 없었는데요.
Feeling better?
Fire in the hole!
Katie,
Look, I just want to apologize for what I said.
he's here.
Who's here?
You know who.
꿈이라기에는 너무나도 현실 같은 느낌, 불안함이 엄습하기 시작하던 그때
You cut your hair. It looks good. I found you. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I want to talk like we used to talk. We used to talk about it. Let's talk.
바로 위층에 렉시가 잠들어 있는 만큼 어떻게든 장소를 옮겨야 했고
What do you want to talk about?
I want to go home.
Come home.
My year with him. He doesn't know you like I know you. He doesn't. You don't tell me what to do.
You need to go right now. Now.
You're making a mistake.
이럴 때일수록 강하게 거절의 의사를 전해야 한다는 판단은 정확히 적중. 그렇게 케빈을 돌려보내며 안도의 한숨을 내쉴 수 있었는데요. 서로가 떨어져 지낸 사이 대화가 통하는 인간이 되었다는 기대는 완벽하게 자신의 오판이었던 것.
I'm so sorry. Take me home. Take me home. You take me home.
이렇듯 겨우 케빈의 마음을 돌려세운 그때
No! You okay?
Are you okay? I'm so sorry.
You okay?
아무런 인명피해 없이 위기를 넘길 수 있었지만 한 가지 안타까운 건 아내의 서재가 새까맣게 타버렸다는 사실. 특히 엄마에 대한 그리움이 남달랐던 조시의 상실감은 이루 말할 수 없었고
I'm always gonna miss her.
So you're really leaving then, huh?
I think that we both know it's time for me to go.
When you get a chance, call me.
Will you look at that sunlight? Oh, God, it'd make a great photo. But you'll take a lot of pictures. You'll only regret the ones that you didn't take. You deserve this, Katie. You belong here.
모든 근심이 사라진 지금 알렉스와의 새로운 출발을 그려나갈 예정이었는데요.
There's a letter here. It's for you. I'll be over with the kids.
To the woman my husband loves. If you're reading this, then it must be true. He loves you. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, he wouldn't have given this to you.
조시와 렉시를 향한 편지만이 아닌 남편의 곁을 지켜줄 미래의 여인을 향한 편지까지 준비되어 있었던 것. 있는 그대로의 알렉스를 사랑해달라는 전 부인의 진심이 묻어 있었는데요. 도망자 신세였던 에린이 정착할 수 있게 도움을 주고 위기의 순간마다 사랑의 메신저가 되어주었던 조의 정체는 다름 아닌 알렉스의 아내였던 것. 누군가에게는 허무맹랑한 이야기일지 모르지만 개인적으로는 로맨스와 스릴러가 적절하게 조합된 꽤나 만족스러운 작품으로 기억되고 있는데요.
The thought of you, it gives me hope.
뒤늦게 이 작품이 노트북의 저자 니콜라스 스파크스의 소설을 원작으로 한다는 점에서 나도 모르게 고개가 끄덕여졌던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?